This is the final video to fix Valorant error code 38, the connection fail problem. Are you struggling to join your games because of this error? This usually happens when your network blocks Valorant or when the game files can't talk to the servers properly. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated and stuck. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this error fast without any complicated steps. It works by quickly resetting your network settings and letting Valorant connect like it should. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below and let me know. This simple trick can get you back into your game in minutes, and you won't need to try endless complicated methods again. Follow Rexist for easy fixes like this every time.